loves, welcome back to our channel. We are here with another one. You guys know I absolutely love my first wig, okay? The units are quality wigs for beginners, and they always come through with the come through. So we are here with a beautiful headband wig. Y'all know I'm getting headband wig to life, okay? But we got some colorful ones coming through, and I'm really excited about this one. I'm about to give you guys, okay? Okay, so before we get into the unit, let's get into all the goodies that you get if you get the wig kit along with your unit. So this is the cute little garment bag for your hair, okay? Your hair bag. And you also get to order headbands. You can use headbands that you already have. They have edge control, which is a cute little gift. And I love these pencil cases because they come with goodies as well. And in here we have clips and bobby pins as well as an edge brush. At this point, I'm like real life collecting these. These are my favorite things ever, okay? So, and I don't even like to lay my edges. So, let's just get on into Mother and the Cap Construction. This young lady is Leo from the ZODIAC collection. Now, I'm a Virgo, okay? But y'all Leos are all right. So, let's get on into her. She has one comb in the front, two on the side, okay? And then one in the back. But look at this cap construction. This is like a 3/4 wig, so it's no lace at all. Your headband, the Velcro, okay? But look at the hair. Now, this is 18 inches, okay? And this is a human hair ombre curly 3B, 3C texture unit, and I'm kind of excited about this. She's so ready for the fall. All right, my loves, let's get on into Miss Leo. Now, Leo is a headband wig, a part of the ZODIAC collection for My First Wig. The wonderful thing about My First Wig is that when you are going through and purchasing a unit from them, it is with the intent that you are going through the process for the first time. So they have everything that you could possibly need to add on to your order, all right? So this unit is currently going for just under $265 for 18 inches. Now, I know that you guys are somewhere clutching your pearls, okay? Don't you worry. My First Wig always makes the purchase worth your while. So check them out and see if you can get some coins off of your first purchase. This unit is relatively big head friendly. I don't have her pulled up all the way, but for those of who don't want to leave out as much hair, you absolutely can. And she will give you all the space that you need. This unit, again, is 18 inches. And that color is like a DR30. So it's that dark root 33. I think it's more of a 33, which has that red undertone. The color of this hair is fire. I just love what they did with not only the texture but the ombre styling. It looks really beautiful, and this unit, although expensive, is super quality, okay? And some days you got to treat yourself. Bust down and tell me what show that's from. What show is that from? Okay. my loves, we are back. I am giving Leo the mammy tap lion, okay? She is such a Leo. She's strong. She's fierce. She's pushing all the way through. And I am really feeling this one, okay? I kind of like the idea of it being like a color. Like, you know what I mean? I love the thick texture of this hair. It's that 3B, 3C hair. And she is stunning. Like, absolutely stunning. Get into her. Also, get into my headband. We coming to you soon. So, but I really do love this, guys. Like, I am getting headband wig to life. But, however, these are the only units that I'm wearing now. Like, it's so easy. I can just grab them and go. I be having stuff to do. Mother be having to throw her on. Okay, I just had to go run to the store and get some goddamn milk. And guess what? Bam, bam, bam. She's ready to go. And I really appreciate the ease of that. I'm a working girl. I got stuff to do. Okay? So, I'm saying all that to say, bust down, tell me your sign. What is your zodiac sign? I got another one coming for you guys from my first wig, and I hope you guys enjoy that one as well. But get into Miss Leo, okay? And what's your sign? What you working with? All the Virgos, gang, gang. And I'll see you beautiful mugs later.